Good morning to you all students. Today I am going to teach you division of chapter 6 and the topic is long division without remainder and with remainder, and this is video number 5. So students, today we are going to start long division method. So student, it is not possible to divide a big number using equal sharing or repeated subtraction method as we have done before. So what we will do here? Yes, we need a method which can divide bigger number quickly and easily. So for this we are using long division method to make our division easier. Now students, start. See, this is the symbol for long division. So see, this is the symbol for long division, and the term of division are arranged as follows. So see, yes, here we will write dividend. So students, can you say what is dividend? Yes, the number which is divided is known as dividend, and this one here we will write divisor. So students, tell me what is divisor? Can you say? Yes, divisor is the number which divides the dividend, and here we will write quotient. This is the result of the division. Now students, what we will do here? So here we will do long division without remainder. So here I have given you two sums to do, to divide, to do. So here start student, how you will write here? Yes, first of all you will have to arrange these numbers. So how you will arrange? Again, first of all, make a symbol for the long division. Yes. Now what we will write here? Here we will write 15 as a dividend. Why we will write 15 as a dividend? Because 15 is divided by 5. So 15, we have to divide 15. So 15 is a dividend. So students, before only I said that dividend is the number which is divided, and here we will write 5. So what is 5? Yes, 5 is divisor. So again student, divisor means? Yes, divisor is the number which divides the dividend. Now what you have to do? Yes, now recall that table of 5. Yes, so 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are, yes, 10, 5 threes are 15. So students, 3 times 5 is equals to 15. So here we will write quotient. And 15 we will write below the dividend. And after that what we will do? Yes, we will subtract these numbers. So students, 15 minus 15 is equals to? Yes, 15 minus 15, 0. 0 is remainder here. So students, see, 15 divided by 5 is equals to 3. So write thus 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. Come to the next, divide 72 by 8. So what we will do here? Yes, again we will make a symbol of long division. After that, what we will write as a dividend? Yes, we will write 72 as a dividend here. because we are dividing this number by 8. And what will be the 8? Yes, 8 will be the divisor, so we will write here. Now students, see what you have to do. Now recall the table of 8. Yes. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 nines are 72. So 9 times 8 is equal to 72. So here we will write 9 as a quotient and we will write 72 under the dividend. And what we will do here? We will subtract 72 to 72. Okay, means 72 minus 72. So 72 minus 72 is equals to, yes, 72 minus 72 is equals to 0. So what is 0 here? Yes, 0 is remainder. So thus 72 divided by 8 is equals to 9. So students, now I am going to teach you long division with remainder. Now start students, long division with remainder. So we will do the same process as we have done before in long division without remainder. So first of all, what we will do here? Yes, we will make a symbol of long division. After that, yes, we will write dividend. So which one is dividend and which one is divisor here? Yes, dividend is 45 and divisor is 7. So what is dividend, students? Just tell me. Yes, dividend is the number which is divided. So which number is divided? Yes, 45 is divided by 7. So here we will write 45 as a dividend. And what we will write here? Yes, here we will write as divisor. So 7 as divisor. So divisor is the number which divides the dividend. Now students, what we have to do? Yes, we have to recall the table of 7 till we get a number closest to 45. This number should also be equal to or less than 45. So what we will do here? We will write the table of 7. So just 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49. So students, just see which one is the closest number to 45. Yes, 42 is the closest number to 45 and it is less than 45 also. So what we will write as a quotient? So 7 into 6 is equals to 42, means 7 6 are 42. So here on the top we will write 6 and 42 we will write below the dividend, that is 45. So here we will write 42. Now what we will do? Yes, we will subtract 42 from 45. So 5 minus 2 is equal to, yes, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 and 4 minus 4, 0. Now what we will write, students? See, thus 45 divided by 7 is equals to quotient is equal to 6 and remainder is equal to, yes, see, what is remainder, students? Just tell me. Yes, the number remaining after the division is called remainder. So this one is remainder. So what is the remainder here? Yes, 3. So write 3. Now come to the next. Again, students, what we have to do? 65 divided by 8. The same process we are doing here also. Yes, we will write here 65 as a dividend and 8 as a divisor. Now again we will recall the table of 8. So start and till we will say the table of 8 till it comes 65 or less than 65. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72. So students, here in the table, which number is closest to 65 and less than 65? Yes, 64. 64 is closest to the 65 and it is less than 65 also. So see what we will write as a quotient. Yes, 8 eights are 64. So 8 we will write here on the top as a quotient. And what we will write below the dividend? Yes, we will write 64 below the dividend. And now what we will do? Yes, we will subtract 64 from 65. So students, 5 minus 4 is equal to, yes, 1. And 6 minus 6, 0. So this is remaining number. 1 is remaining number. 65 minus 64 is equal to 1. So here 65 divided by 8 is equals to, yes, quotient is equals to 8. This one is quotient and remainder is equal to 1. Understood, students? So today I have taught you long division without remainder and long division with remainder. Now students, note down your homework. So your homework is worksheet 6.4, question number A and B, page number 19 and 20. So students, what you have to do, you have to do this in your application book B.